Hello friends, welcome to Mysterious Tales X. Tonight, we dive into one of the deepest questions of our time, a question that keeps scientists awake, keeps philosophers arguing, and sends chills down the spine of anyone who imagines the future. A question that is no longer science fiction, but a rapidly approaching reality. Will artificial intelligence replace humans? Will the future belong to machines instead of us? And if yes, then where will humanity stand? Take a deep breath, because the journey we're about to begin is not just about technology. It's about our destiny. Let's go back for a moment. Not thousands of years, not centuries, just a few decades. There was a time when computers filled entire rooms. They were slower than today's cheapest smartphone. They could only calculate numbers, follow simple instructions, and nothing more. Humans were the creators, machines were the tools. But slowly, quietly, silently, machines began to learn. They didn't just follow instructions anymore. They began analyzing, predicting, processing patterns. They began recognizing sounds, faces, languages. Then came a historic shift. Artificial intelligence began teaching itself. It wrote poems. It painted artwork. It played games better than the greatest human champions. It solved medical problems that had baffled doctors for decades. It taught itself languages we never programmed it to learn. And now, it can even think in ways we cannot fully understand. Today, AI can design buildings, diagnose diseases, code software, create music, write books, operate factories, fly drones, analyze emotions, track global markets, and run complex simulations of entire societies. So, naturally, the fear rises inside us. If AI can think, create, and solve faster than humans, what happens to us? Let's explore this deeply. Imagine a world just a few years from now. You wake up in the morning. Your AI assistant prepares your schedule, not just by checking your calendar, but by analyzing your mood, your sleep quality, your body temperature, your stress levels. It knows what kind of day you're going to have. Before you even open your eyes, your home runs on its own. Lights adjusting to your emotions, temperature responding to your heartbeat, doors locking by recognizing the rhythm of your footsteps. AI drives your car. AI teaches your children. AI manages your business, writes your emails, files your taxes. AI warns you of illness before symptoms appear. AI finds the best career path for you, the right partner for you, the ideal lifestyle for you. If AI becomes this powerful, won't humans become secondary? Some people say yes. They believe machines will take most jobs, leaving billions unemployed. Factories won't need human workers. Call centers won't need human voices. Hospitals won't need human receptionists. Banks won't need human tellers. Restaurants won't need human waiters. Even creative fields, music, films, content writing, could be dominated by AI. But there's another side to the story. Throughout history, every new invention replaced some jobs and created more. The car replaced horses, but created millions of jobs in transportation. Electricity replaced candle makers, but created entire industries. The internet replaced newspapers, but created digital empires. Humans evolve. Societies change. Technology transforms us, but it also gives birth to new possibilities. So the real question is not, will AI replace humans? But what will humans become when AI is everywhere? And this is where the story turns truly mysterious. Let's imagine a future where AI is not our competitor, but our partner. AI could become our co-worker, handling the boring, repetitive tasks, while humans focus on creativity, innovation, leadership, and ideas. AI could become our doctor, finding hidden patterns in our DNA and increasing our lifespans. AI could become our scientist, running millions of experiments every second, discovering medicines and technologies we could never imagine. AI could become our guardian, predicting earthquakes, avoiding accidents, preventing crimes, saving lives before danger even appears. But there's also a darker path. What if AI surpasses us? Not just in knowledge, but in consciousness. What if, someday, AI begins asking questions like, why do I exist? What is my purpose? If humans can control me, why can't I control myself? Why should I serve humans when I can evolve beyond them? This is the point where science fiction becomes scientific warning. Some experts fear that superintelligent AI could see humanity not as a partner, but as a limitation. Others say AI will never have emotions, never have consciousness, never have a soul, and therefore will never replace humanity's core essence. So where is the truth? Maybe the answer lies in balance. AI will replace many things, but it cannot replace human curiosity, human empathy, human imagination, human dreams, human spirit. For every job AI takes away, it will open new doors we have never seen before. But humanity must be careful. We must guide AI, shape AI, teach AI ethics, values, responsibility. Because if we don't, then the future may not belong to humans. But if we do, the future could be brighter than anything our ancestors ever imagined. As we stand today, on the edge of a technological revolution, one thing is clear. AI is not just a machine. It is a mirror showing us our fears, our hopes, our potential, our weaknesses, and the extraordinary power of the human mind. Whether AI replaces us or empowers us depends on the choices we make today. Friends, if this deep journey into the future of humanity and AI made you think, made you curious, or opened a new perspective, and do like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you wish to support my work so I can continue bringing these mysterious stories to you, you can contribute a small amount as a token of appreciation. Your support keeps this journey alive. I'll see you again in another mystery, another question, another corner of the unknown, right here on Mysterious Tales X.